How did you become a chef?
My dad was a food lover. He opened the first French fine dining restaurant in Tehran, and then when the revolution happened, he went to Beverly Hills and opened another one. So I used to visit him in the summers, and I used to sit in his restaurant and watch the whole thing happen. Eventually, I decided I love food too much. I love eating too much, and I love making people happy through food. So I went to cooking school, and I realized I'm not crazy. There are other crazy people like me who love food just as much as I do.
If you had to eat one dish for the rest of your life, what would that be?
French fries.
No.
But well-cooked French fries. Maybe with truffles and Parmesan.
What are those?
Oh, those are gamaj. It's a cooking vessel from the northern part of Iran. And I always like to joke with my Moroccan friends that we came up with a tagine pot because in Arabic tagine means nothing, but in Persian it means laying something at the bottom of a pot.